Hello and welcome to Johanna's History. I'm going to show you what tools you need when you're starting sewing. You need needles and pins and sewing thread. I usually go with a light thread and a dark thread for most things. I also have a needle house for my new sewing needles, a tool to unpick when you do something's wrong, you will need a measuring tape, scissors, and thimbles. I still need to learn to use these. I also have some string, that's not necessary but it's good to have, and some thread in different colors, a piece of wax to wax my threads, a pair of tweezers and a big sewing needle. And here I just realized I forgot to put in my stiletto, a sewing stiletto. Very useful for when you're making holes, like eyelets. So I'm going to put everything back into my sewing case here. This is a good size for everything that I need when I'm sewing. I have made these little pieces of fabric in the back so I can put some things so they stay in place, and the rest is just loose. So now I have filled it again and I'm going to close it. And the way I do it is just go around it 1.5 times and then I make a little knot.